Okay, we have one less problem here, and it's asking us to use direct variation in order to solve a little volume problem. It says the volume of an enclosed gas at a constant pressure varies directly as the absolute temperature. If the pressure of 3.46 liters sample of neon gas is 3.2% or 302 degrees Kelvin is 0.926 atoms, what would the volume be at a temperature of 338 degrees Kelvin if the pressure does not change? It looks like a bigger problem than it really is. We're just going to take a look at that very first sentence, and that's going to give us our equation. The volume varies directly, so that's where we're going to put our K, as the temperature. Volume equals K times T. That's our basic formula there. It says if the pressure of a 3.46 liter sample is of gas at 302 degrees Kelvin. So we really just need the volume and the temperature here, and it says what would the volume be if the temperature is this. So we have volume 1 is 3.46 liters and temperature 1 is 302 degrees Kelvin. We want to find out what the volume would be, so that's our unknown. If the temperature, the second temperature is 338 degrees Kelvin. We're actually going to do two little equations here just to set this up. We have volume 1 equals K times temperature 1. And then we're going to have volume 2 equals K times temperature 2. If we solve for K for both of these, so I'm going to divide by the temperature on both equations. I get K equals volume over temperature, and K equals volume over temperature here as well. And so since both of them equal K, I can then set them equal to each other. So that volume 1 over temperature 1 equals volume 2 over temperature 2. And then we'll just fill it in with what we have. Volume 1 is 3.46 liters, and the temperature 1 is 302 degrees Kelvin. And that's going to equal volume 2, which we don't know what that is, so I'm just going to leave V2 there, over 338 degrees Kelvin. And then we have a proportion to solve. You're just going to cross multiply. So you're going to take 3.46 liters times 338 degrees Kelvin, and then divide by 302 to get the volume. And we end up with a volume of 3.87 liters.